We are innovation. We're security. We are quality. We are sustainable. We are integral, ethical, transparent. We are leaders because we are ambitious, because we constantly demand the best from ourselves and we take our imagination to the limit to make our objectives possible. We are energy and the engine of dreams. We are people at the service of people. We are HAM, a leading group of companies specialized in the integral service of liquefied natural gas, compressed natural gas and natural gas for vehicles.
En GAM somos ambiciosos y esta ambición nos ha procurado el crecimiento constante en los últimos años. Para muestra la excepcional evolución que hemos tenido y posicionamiento en muchos países del mundo.
Being a leader is a responsibility and a challenge that we face every day. We will not settle for less. Our customers know that every day we are more and that every day we have more to offer.
Nuestro objetivo es ofrecer soluciones integrales, tanto al sector industrial como al vehicular, como al transporte marítimo.
HAM is a concept, a philosophy, and a concrete way of understanding all our services and customers. That is why we want to spread our enthusiasm, our energy. We want to be your engine. HAM, the engine of dreams.